Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can port video from CapCut in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to our CapCut and going to import this video into our CapCut editor. And now if you want to customize it, like I will going to give an effect on it, just like I'm giving this effect into this video. And if you turn it on, you can see it's moving like hardcore. So now I will going to export this video by clicking on simply in the export button over here at the upper right side. And then you can see after clicking on export, you can name it. I will just going to name it demo. And then if you want to change the location, you just simply click on this folder icon. And if you want to change the video resolution, you can change it by clicking on the resolution and just clicking on just select any of your suitable resolution. And then if you just want to select the frame rate, then you can select the frame rate and just simply click on export. And after a very short time, you can see the export is done. And now if we go to the folder that where we exported in the document section, in the download section, here you can see here is our demo video that we edited into our you can see if we just click on the first, you can see it's exported into our device memory. So this is how you can export a video in CapCut in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.